Okay, everyone, now we are discussing this program. What is the output printed by the following program? So they have given us this program and they have given few outputs. Now they are asking which output is printed by this program. First of all, program will go on the main. On the main, it is saying printf percentage %d. Now you have to print, but in the print they are calling a function f20 and 1. So now this function is going to call this function where f is matching and 20 and 1 will be the value of n and k. So I am just taking, suppose it is f where we are saying 20 and 1, and these are the values of n and k. Now what they are saying, if n equal to 0, is 20 equal to 0? No. Else if n mod 2, what that mean? Whenever I say if and there is some condition which is there, whenever that condition become true, then if will run. The true means 1. So that means whatever the condition inside the if is there, that should be true. That means the value of that should be 1. Then this will run. And if I see this program, it is asking that if n mod 2. So whenever n mod 2 is there, n mod 2 is true. True means if that is equal to 1, then only this particular segment will run. So that is the important concept over there in this particular program. That means n mod 2 should be equal to 1. Now check out. So here it is saying n mod 2 and n mod 2 should be 1 and 20 mod 2 which is 0 and 0 is not equal to 1. So this will not run. It will go to the next one. Else return fn by 2 2 into k. So it is going to call again the function n by 2. N is 20, 20 by 2 is 10. 2 into k, 1 into 2, that is 2. And again it is saying minus k. So earlier the k was what? 1. So minus 1. Again it is going to call the same function. The value of n is not 0. Else if n mod 2, that means 10 mod 2. 10 mod 2 is 0, but we want 1. So this part will again not run. It will go on the else part. And else part is saying fn by 2. Again it is calling f n by 2. N by 2 means 10 by 2, which is 5. 2 into k. 2 into 2, which is 4. And it is asking minus k. The value is minus 2. Earlier value we are taking. Again it is calling, recursive calling. N is not 1, then n mod 2, 5 mod 2, 1, and we want 1, correct. So this statement will run. It is saying fn by 2, 2 into k. So it is calling recursively fn by 2 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2. 2 into k is 8. It is saying plus k. That means plus 4. Again it is calling. Now n is not equal to 0. Again n mod 2, which is 2 mod 2. 2 mod 2 is 0, but we want 1. So this statement will not run. It will run return part. fn by 2 2k. So it is again calling f n by 2 means 2 by 2 is 1. 2 into k is 16 and minus k, which is minus 8. Now we are taking there. So it is one more time calling. Again n not equal to 0. N mod 2, which is 1 mod 2 and the remainder is 1. So 1 equal to 1, that we want. This part will run. So it will call fn by 2, which is f. 1 by 2 is 0. 2 into k, which is 32. Plus k, that means plus 16. Then we are calling one more time. It is saying if n equal to 0. Yes. Now it is 0. So this statement will return answer as 0. Now the return is coming back. So first we are taking 0. It is then coming, it is considering plus 16. Then it is coming back considering minus 8. Again coming back considering plus 4. Again minus 2. And again it is coming to minus 1. So there we are having the result, which is 20 minus 11, which is equal to 9. And the answer is C part. So C is the answer of this particular program.